Welcome to this tutorial on creating custom templates in Revel Digital. Today, we'll walk through building a professional template from scratch, including adding a background image zone and integrating a weather gadget. We'll also explore how to use AI to generate templates quickly and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to create engaging, dynamic templates for your digital signage displays. Let's start by accessing the template creation area. From your Revel Digital dashboard, click on Templates in the main navigation menu. Here you'll see any existing templates. To create a new one, click the Create New Template button in the top right corner. Let's give our template a meaningful name. I'll call this Demo Template. Now click Design Template to open the Layout Designer. The canvas in the center represents your display screen, and the toolbar to the right of the canvas contains all the zone types available for building your template. Before we start adding zones, let's set up our template properties. Make sure the template resolution matches your display's resolution. For this example, I'll use 1920 by 1080, which is standard for most HD displays. The background color can be set here as well, but since we're adding a background image, we'll leave this as default for now. Now let's create our first zone for the background image. In the right side toolbar, click on Add Zone, and then select Static Image. Expand the zone to cover the entire canvas. This will be our background image zone. You can see the zone boundaries highlighted. Make sure it spans the full width and height of your template, 1920 by 1080 pixels. With the background zone selected, let's configure its properties. In the Properties panel on the right, you'll see several options. Zone name, let's call this background image. Fit type, choose Fill to ensure the image fills the entire zone. File, click the search icon to open the media picker and choose a background image. This zone will allow you to display different background images depending on your content needs. Next, we will add a weather gadget. Click Add Zone again, but this time select Gadget Zone. Position this zone in the top right corner of your template. I'll make it approximately 400 pixels wide by 600 pixels tall. This gives us enough space for weather information without overwhelming the background. With the weather zone selected, we need to configure the gadget. In the Properties panel, Zone Name, enter Weather. Gadget Type, open the Gadget Picker and scroll down to locate a weather gadget. Select the gadget appropriate for your design preferences. Location, enter your city or zip code. I'll use Fargo, North Dakota. Units, choose between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Style, adjust the gadget style including font and colors to match the theme of your design. Great! You can see the weather widget is now displaying current conditions. This will automatically update with real-time weather data when your template is deployed to your displays. Now, let's add a gallery zone to display multimedia content like images and videos. Click Add Zone and select Gallery Zone. Position this zone to where it creates a nice balance with our weather widget on the opposite side. With the gallery zone selected, let's configure its properties. Zone name, enter Media Gallery. Transition type, select Fade for smooth transitions between content items. Playlist, select a playlist to display by clicking the search icon. This opens the playlist picker for locating the playlist you want to associate with the zone. The gallery zone is great for showcasing products, announcements, or any rotating visual content. Perfect! Now, our template has 3 distinct zones: a full-screen background, a weather widget, and a multimedia gallery. This combination gives you incredible flexibility for different types of content. Before finalizing, always preview your template. Click the Preview button to see how it will look on your display. You can test different background images, see how the weather widget responds to different configurations, and preview how multimedia content will appear in the gallery zone. If you notice any issues, maybe the gallery zone overlaps with important background elements or the weather widget isn't positioned optimally, now is the time to make adjustments. Once satisfied with the template, select Save and Close to finish up. Now, let me show you one of Revel Digital's most powerful features, AI template generation. Navigate back to Templates, then select New Template followed by Generate with AI. Here's how it works. You simply describe what you want your template to look like, and the AI creates it for you. Let me demonstrate with a few examples. I'll type, create a restaurant menu template with a food background, space for menu items on the left, and a promotional area on the right. Watch as the AI generates a complete template layout. It creates appropriately sized zones, suggests color schemes, and even recommends content types for each zone. Impressive, right? The AI understood our request and created a professional-looking template with a background image zone with a restaurant theme, a structured menu area with proper spacing, a promotional zone for specials or announcements, and coordinated styling throughout. You can further customize any AI-generated template by adjusting zone sizes, colors, or adding additional elements. And there you have it. Remember, great templates are the foundation of effective digital signage. They provide consistency across your displays while allowing for dynamic, engaging content that can include everything from weather updates to product showcases. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to experiment with different layouts, try the AI generator with various prompts, and most importantly, have fun creating templates that represent your brand perfectly. Happy designing!